You want to find great jars? Look no further. This 6-pack of 64 ounces mason jars with lids from KitchenToolz is fantastic. It's like finding a treasure chest for your kitchen. Each jar is a half-gallon. That's a lot of space. The wide mouth is a real plus. It makes filling and cleaning super simple. No more wrestling with narrow openings. The metal lids are airtight. This is crucial. They keep everything fresh. Whether you're fermenting kombucha, like a bubbling cauldron of goodness, or pickling vegetables, these jars are up to the task. They're also perfect for storing dry goods. Think of them as tiny food safes. You get KitchenToolz 6PK 64 ounces mason jars with lids, ready for anything. Furthermore, these jars are incredibly versatile. They are great for curing. Imagine perfectly preserved foods. You can also use them for canning. This means long-term storage. They are made in the USA. That's a big deal for many. And they are BPA-free. So, you can feel good about using them. Cleaning is also a breeze. They are dishwasher safe. Just toss them in. They come out sparkling clean. This makes life easier. Also, the quality is evident. They feel sturdy. They are built to last. These KitchenToolz 6PK 64 ounces mason jars with lids are true workhorses. Therefore, they earn their keep. Finally, consider the possibilities. These jars are not just for food. They can hold craft supplies, or perhaps bathroom essentials. They are truly multi-purpose. Moreover, the clear glass lets you see contents easily. No more guessing games. Hence, organization becomes simple. The simple design fits any decor. They blend in beautifully. So, they are practical and pretty. In summary, if you need reliable storage, these are ideal. They are a smart investment. These KitchenToolz 6PK 64 ounces mason jars with lids are an essential kitchen tool. Thus, I highly recommend them. Pros: perfect size, glass, easy to clean, dishwasher safe, metal lids, sturdy, well made. Built-in silicone seal, airtight seal, durable, good quality, great value, beautiful, strong. Jars, easy to handle, good for storage, look good on shelves. Features: 6-pack, half-gallon size, wide mouth, airtight metal lid, fermenting kombucha, kefir. Curing, pickling, storing and canning, BPA-free, dishwasher safe, made in USA. This 6-pack of half-gallon glass mason jars is perfect for many kitchen uses. Each jar has a wide mouth and an airtight metal lid, making them great for fermenting things like kombucha or kefir, as well as for curing and pickling foods. They are also good for general storage and canning. These jars are safe to use because they are BPA-free and can be washed in a dishwasher. And they are made in the USA. The KitchenToolz 6-pack of half-gallon glass mason jars are a great choice for many kitchen needs. These wide mouth jars come with metal lids that have a built-in silicone seal, making them airtight and perfect for fermenting kombucha or kefir, curing pickles, or simply storing food. They are made in the USA, BPA-free, and easy to clean since they are dishwasher safe. These sturdy, well-made jars are durable and offer good quality and value, looking beautiful and organized on shelves.